Hello friends, I am Tushar. Welcome to my channel. I am here to help you in your studies and amplify your opportunities in the education. SPPU is conducting online and offline examination for BE students of academic year 2019-20. The examination will be of 50 marks. The questions will be of multiple choice type and each question will be of 1 mark. The student can attempt maximum 60 questions. This MCQ practice test series of subject advanced manufacturing processes is prepared in collaboration with Professor P.S. Talmale by Tushar Badgujar Online to support students for their final year examination. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so when I upload a new video in this series, you will get notified. In this video, we are discussing Unit 3 of 2015 syllabus pattern. The surface speed of the grinding wheel during the operation is up to dash dash meter per minute. 100 to 200, 300 to 500, 1200 to 1800, 2400 to 3600. And the answer for this is C, 1200 to 1800. Dash dash has significant effect on surface finish and material removal rate of electrochemical grinding. Current density, air gap, flow of electrolyte, feed. All these are the process parameters and have the effect on the surface finish. But most important out of this is current density. That is, answer is A. The surface finish obtained in electrochemical grinding is dash dash micron. 0.01 to 0.05, 0.1 to 0.5, 0.12 to 0.8, 0.8 to 1.2. So here we have to identify what surface finish can be obtained by using electrochemical grinding. And the answer for this is C, 0.12 to 0.8 micron. Traces dash dash of grinding wheel using the principle of electrolysis. Shape, workpiece, metal bond, none of this. ELPD is process of dressing the grinding wheel. So the correct option for this is C, metal bond. The diagram below related to which process? ELPD, ECG, EDM, ECDM. So from this diagram, we have to identify the process. And in this diagram, you can observe certain things like electrolytes, then grinding wheel as a workpiece, power supply is given. So this is the process A, ELPD. The wheel loading and glazing can be eliminated by introducing electrolytes cell. True, false. And answer for this is A, true. It is true that the wheel loading and glazing can be eliminated by using electrolyte cell. Which of the following is not the component of ELPD? Power supply, abrasive particles, electrolyte, electrode. in this case, we have to identify which is not the component of ELPD. And the answer is B, abrasive particle. Electrode must be dash dash in size of the grinding wheel perimeter. 1/4 to 1/2, 1/6 to 1/4, 1/8 to 1/2, 1/16 to 1/8. And the answer is B, 1/6 to 1/4. In ECG, grinding action removes workpiece material from the surface, corroded surface layer, making workpiece ready for electrochemical process, oxide film formed on the surface, particles removed from surface after chemical action. And the answer is C. Electrolyte in ECG should provide lower chemical activity, allows to spray currents, high shock removal efficiency, higher corrosion tendency. And the answer is C, high shock removal efficiency. Which of the following is true about ECG? Lower MRR when grinding hard, heat-sensitive materials. Musting of soft metals like aluminum can be easily done. Difficult to machine materials with high hardness like tungsten carbide. Burr-free sharpening of needles. And the answer is D, burr-free sharpening of needles. MRR is ECM depends on hardness of work material, atomic weight of work material, thermal conductivity of work material, ductility of work material. So in this case, we have to identify the which factor or which parameter is affecting MRR in case of ECM. And the answer is electrolyte used in ECM should have high specific heat, low resistance to film formation on the workpiece, high viscosity, corrosive nature. And the answer is A, high specific heat. In which process electrolytic aqueous solution uses 10 to 25%? EJM, EDM, ELPD, ECG. And the answer is A, EJM. In EJM, a higher voltage of dash dash volt is applied to get longer and thinner flow of electrolyte. 50 to 100, 150 to 750, 200 to 400, 600 to 1000. And the answer is B, 150 to 750 volt is applied to get longer and thinner flow of electrolyte.
Thank you guys for watching.
If you have any doubts, then leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will get the notification.